Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about prop drilling in React.js. Do not miss this video, and now let's go! Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin, and today, as I said, I want to talk about prop drilling in React.js and how you can use it in your applications. Let's back to our VS Code now. And now we have this application here that you can use it from my GitHub link that I put in caption, and here from the 7 folder here, prop drilling, you can import this setup in app.js like this setup. And now we have this file prop drilling.js. First of all, I want to import some data from our application like this and access to this data, and after that we should use this user state and set people like this to have that data that we imported from the specific folder here with default value of data here. And now in our return we have this heading 2. Before that I want to add this React fragment and transfer this heading 2 inside React fragment and add this list component because we have a list in our application today. In our list I want to pass some props that's called people. It's equal to people. And of course I want to add some function that's called a remove item because we have a list and I want to remove some data from our list with this function. Okay, now we have these props, and when I save it we have this error on our screen because we don't have the list component, and we should add it in our application like this. Okay, this is our list, and as a prop we should import people and remove item like this. Now we have return in our list component, and now I want to iterate on people array like this React fragment, and here we have people and iterate on people array by map and say person here like this, as you know from our previous videos. And we have return here, and just I want to say the other component and say single person. It is the other component that I use in this application, and when I save it again we have error because we don't have single person here, and I just want to add it at the bottom of our project like this. And you can see that I want to use div here with class name of item, and inside our div we have heading 3 that we have name in it, and of course as I said we have button to remove some item from our list. As you can see we have an error from this remove item, and if I want to add this function on our code I should write down const remove item. We have an arrow function here, and just our remove item to pass id to recognize that which item it should remove from our application with this id that I passed in our application. Okay, in remove item inside it I should change set people, and in our set people we have people here, and of course and here we have return, and just say people dot filter to know which item it should remove from our list. And we have this person, and person dot id shouldn't equal to that id we pass to our remove item. Everything is good, and this is our state filling with data that we import from this folder. And of course we have this function remove item passing id to recognize which item here to remove from our list, and this is our filter method like map. Here we go. Now in the first component we pass people and remove item as a props to our list component, and in our list component we have these two props. But something more in this component is that we didn't pass any prop to these components, single person. First I want to add some key because we used map in our application, and say person.id here, and of course pass remove item prop like always. And the other prop that I want to pass to a single person component is not person's ID and name separately. Instead I want to pass like this dot 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 and use person and the previous values in person. Okay, now we have our single person component and we should pass some props. First I want to pass ID and name, that these two parameters, these two props is inside the person, and the other prop that we should pass to our single person component is remove item. Now we have single person component and let's make it dynamic. So I want to change it to name dynamically, and of course we have this button and I should add some on-click to our button like this, and use this arrow function and set remove item, and just we need to pass ID to our remove item function. So we have these items of list in our application with dynamic information, and we have this remove item on our screen. When I click on it, the item of our list will be removed, and after refreshing our application everything goes back again. And as you know, in our code we import this data from the folder. We have this user state and this function remove item, remove some item from our list by this ID that we pass to our function, and the first component with passing props, and the second component also we have iterate our people array, and the last component in single person we have this button to make our application functional and remove some item from our list. Everything goes right, and all of this was about prop drilling in React.js and how you can use it in your application. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Of course, do not forget subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so you do not miss my videos in my channel, and put like and comment for me. Be nice guys, and farewell developers.